Yes, good morning students. Today we are going to revise percentage. Yes. Now what does percent mean? Percent means per cent. Per cent is 100. 1 cent is equal to 100. So we say per 100. So percent means everything we are going to calculate out of 100. Suppose you take a test. Yes, out of 25 marks. You are having tests of 25 marks. Yes. So out of 25 marks, this is the maximum mark, you score 20. So out of 25, you are scoring 20. So out of 1, you are scoring 20 upon 25, which is 4 by 5 you can say, or 20 upon. And so out of 100, what will be a score out of 100? So 20 upon 25 into 100. Yes, when you cancel this, you get 80%. Clear? So 80%, what have we done? We have converted, this was the fraction part, 20 marks I am getting out of 25. So out of 100, how much I will get? Into 100. Simple. So to convert a fraction, a decimal or a ratio, yes, to percentage, we multiply by 100. Similarly, to convert a percent to a fraction, decimal or ratio, we divide by 100. Clear? Now this is what I have already shown it to you. Why are we multiplying by 100? I am not simply saying that we multiply by 100. Okay children, do this. Okay children, divide by 100. No, I have explained you why. We are using unitary method here. Yes, to convert any fraction. Now this was the fraction, na? 20 out of 25, which is equal to 4 by 5. Yes, when I am converting to 100, I am multiplying by 100. Yes, why are we multiplying? This is according to this unitary method. So I got 80%. Now I'll do the reverse of this. Now I have 80% and I will convert it into fraction. So to remove this decimal sign, what we have to do? We have to divide by 100. When we divide by 100, see this 0 cancels. 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. So 4 upon 5. See, we are getting this 4 upon 5. Clear? Which is same as 20 upon equivalent fractions. Same as 20 upon 25. Clear children? So when we are converting, yes, any number to a ratio, whenever we are converting any number to a ratio, any fraction to a percentage, we multiply by 100, and when we convert a percentage to a fraction or a decimal or a ratio, we divide by 100. Now let us take some examples. Now suppose this is 2 upon 5. This is a fraction and I have to convert to percentage. What will I do? I will straight away multiply by 100. Yes, when you multiply by 100, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0, 20 2s are, that is equal to 40%. Percent means 40 out of 100 you are getting. Yeah, 2 upon 5 is same as 40 upon 100, which is 40%. Now it's the same reverse of this I am doing. Like 40% is given to me and I am supposed to convert to fraction. When I will convert this to fraction, I'll write it as 40 upon 100. Yes, 40 upon 100. Now simplify this. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. This gives you 2 by 5. See, 2 by 5 converted to percentage is 40%. And similarly, 40% converted to fraction is, by dividing by 100, we get 2 by 5. Clear? Okay. Now let us take a decimal number. Yes, and we need to convert to percentage. To convert a decimal to a percent, what will we do? Again, we need to multiply by 100. Yes, this is what I have told you. So when I multiply by any decimal by 100, I will shift this decimal point 2 places to the right. Yes, so I will get how much? 2 point, yes, what will I get? 2.5 divided by 100 gives you how much? Yes, that gives you 250%. Clear? Multiply by 100. This shifts here, so 2 decimals there, so 250%. Now another example. Now let us take the same thing, opposite of this, convert this percentage to decimal. So 250%, divide by 100. What do you get? 2.5. Clear? 2 decimal place here, that is 2.5. Okay? So to convert a decimal to a percent, we multiply by 100. While multiplying, the decimal shifts 2 places to the right. And when we divide by 100, we are converting percentage to decimal. We are dividing by 100. And when we are dividing by 100, we are shifting 2 2 places to the left. Yes, so or you know how to put this decimal, children. Okay, now let us take another example. If you multiply this by 100, yes, this is another decimal, multiply by 100, what will you get? What will you get? Tell me. Decimal shifts here, 2 places here, so you get 0.25. Clear? Now 25%, 0.25%. Now same thing, now let us take 0.25% and convert it to a decimal. So you have to divide by 100. When you divide by 100, you shift 2 decimal here. So you get 0.0025. Clear? Yes, to convert a decimal to a percent, multiply by 100, and to convert a percentage to a decimal, divide by 100, and you have to express the answer as a decimal. Now comes the turn of ratio. 17:20 is the ratio. So how can you write ratio? Ratio is a fraction. It's just a fraction, 17/20. Multiply by 100. Yes, multiply by 100 to convert to fraction to percentage. 25 is 100, 17 5s are, that is 85%. Similarly, now 85%, when we have to convert it to 85% to a ratio or a fraction, you can say in the simplest form, ratio is nothing but a fraction in the simplest form. Yes, it goes 5 into 17, 5 into 20. So you can write 17, ratio is written in this form. That's it. A fraction, when it is written in this form, yes, 17:20, it's a ratio. Clear? Now note certain things, children. It's very, very important. You know what a fraction is? I'm teaching you some important fractions. It's decimal representation and it's percentage representation. Okay? Take a pizza. 1/4 of a pizza means 0.25. In decimal, 1/4. When you divide, you get 0.25. And as a percentage, it is 1/4 is 0.25 in decimal, and 25% as a percentage, we call it 25%. 1/4 of anything is 25%. Half means 50%, and half means 0.5 as a decimal. You should remember all this. 3/4 means 0.75 as a decimal, and it is, when you convert it into percentage, you multiply by 100, it is 75%. Similarly, 1 means 1 whole, decimal also 1 whole, 1.0 you can write. Yes, and as a percent, it is 1 into 100, that is 100%. Similarly, we have one more important fraction, that is 1/5. 1/5 is what? 1/5 is, as a, if you write it as a decimal, how will you write? 0.2. Clear? And as a percentage, 1/5 into 100, it is 20%. This is another important fraction. Yes, it's decimal representation and it's percentage. When we are asked, okay, find 25% of something, 25% should exactly come to your mind that it is 1/4. 50% means what? Half. If I say 200% means twice. If I say 300%, that means it is 3 times. 1 means 100%, 2 means 200%. That is 2 times. Yes, double the profit, 2 times the profit. Yes, 3 times, that is 300% is there. Yes, so you should, this is very, very important for doing all mental calculations. So note down these in your fair notebooks. Yes, thank you.